Today I'm going to show you how to string peppers to dry and preserve them.
First thing is harvesting all the peppers. Oh my gosh. I finally have all the peppers, so now let's go start stringing them.
The first thing I did was rinse off the peppers, and while they dried, I booked it to the shower because it was 103 degrees outside while I was harvesting these. The only supplies I needed was my thread, some scissors, and a needle. I secured the first pepper by poking the needle through the widest part of the stem, and then I wrapped it around a few times, then knotted it off to make sure it was nice and secure, and then every other pepper was easy peasy. I just kept threading the needle through the base of the stem, trying my best not to get any portion of the actual pepper itself, because otherwise that would have been a very spicy needle. And because I was handling the peppers so much, I was scared to get any of it on my fingers because I wear contacts, and it's happened to me in the past when I handle too many peppers that when I go to take off my contacts, my eyes are on fire no matter how many times I wash my hands. The whole process took me about an hour, and that sounds like a long time, but it was honestly very therapeutic. I was listening to a podcast, my husband was watching The Good Doctor, and the kids were running around screaming while I relaxed inside just stringing my peppers. And I was so happy to be indoors because, again, it was scorching hot outside. Like I mentioned before, it is crazy hot outside in the low desert right now, and it's only going to get hotter over the next few months. And being indoors all day is driving me a little stir crazy because I'm used to sneaking out to the garden several times a day to look at all the plants and snack on a few things. And now I can't be outside because the mosquitoes get me or the sun gets me. And now I'm looking forward to my next pepper harvest because I love the way this looks on the wall. Every time I walk by, I can't help but feel so proud of the fact that I grew all of these peppers myself.